Memento Composite ships with a couple of sample projects for you to try and play with. These projects are found under Demo in the Projects folder. In this video, we're going to use the Sports All About Me as a starting point. Let's see how this project was put together. Click on the right composite frame and discover that it's been renamed Team Composite and that the query uses a field called Jersey. This will allow to display the players in numerical order as opposed to the traditional alphabetical order. The next frame, called All About Me, uses the same query, but this time in the second drop-down menu, you'll notice that we're using the Intelli-flow option. Intelli-flow will allow you to create one unique layout per player. That query is also set to exclude the portrait of the featured player from the composite, in this case, the Team Composite. Click on Index and choose Import CSV to replace the current database by a real one. Remember that your CSV file will need a Jersey column, or you may have to fix the query for images to display correctly. Back under Layout, select one of the composite frame, go to Portrait Template, and choose the sample image to preview. This will give you a much better idea as to what the layout will look like. Select the Team Composite and change the portrait template to Sports 2, which will display the jersey number behind the player. Select the All About Me frame and change the portrait template to Sports 3. Click on Generate Composite Set to preview how this layout looks so far. Back to Layout. Let's drag and drop an image to replace the background. Once you drop the image on the canvas, you may notice that it's trying to push the images away as if it was a logo. To fix that, select the background image, then under General Layout, uncheck the Occlude Composite Frame option. Next, right-click on the image and set as full background. To add the final touch, let's modify the All About Me portrait template. Select the All About Me frame, then go to Portrait Template and choose Edit. You'll notice that we have several objects involved in the design of that frame. In the background, you have the jersey number that's being displayed, then the player photo, which was shot on green screen, then the first name and last name, and finally the player's position. Feel free to modify these with new colors or fonts or entire designs to make them your own and to be able to recycle them for different teams. For this demo, I'm going to add a few design elements, the first one being smoke, and then the classic thunderbolt. Resize and rotate these images and play with the properties until you like the design. Save the design or choose Save As to save it under a new name. Click on Generate Composite Set to preview the layouts, then click on Finalize to create the final JPEGs or PDFs.